All right, let's see if we can make this the last video of the day. Except for I have one more idea, but that won't be till I get home. So, looking at this 600, $695, only $26 to go for a couple weeks. I'm gonna roll that out. So, and the reason, so I need to start talking about this a little bit. Like, what am I looking at? Why am I rolling it out, etc., etc. So we opened this up for 65 while Tesla was down, and now it's come back up. So I can wait 2 weeks. So my $500 will just make me an extra $26. Likely I wouldn't wait till last minute anyways. And if I roll it to the week after earnings is announced, there should be good premium there, because that's when the expected move is. So let's check it out. And there's not very much, like, the gain that I'm going to get waiting is just not worth it to me. So this is one of those times where I'll roll. I could let this expire worthless, but we're not going to. So let's see, just rolling 1 week, what that's going to give us. It's going to give us $40 more for waiting 1 more week instead of just $20-some. So we're going to go ahead and go with that. So we'll see if we can grab, let's see if we can grab $49 here. And we only have 10 minutes until market closes. All right, they don't want to give us $49. Do they want to give us $48? Come on, I really need $48. That'll pay for my Starbucks for like all month that I don't even really buy too much. How about 47? When you guys say you have trouble getting stuff filled, this is kind of what you have to do sometimes. Take a little less or give a little bit more. 45. All right, fine. We'll grab $45. Who cares? $45 cash is $45 cash. I am actually surprised I'm not getting filled here. Really? It's because Tesla's going up faster than I can move this stupid thing. Jeez. Can I get something? Can I get 42? 42 is the answer to the universe. I can get 42. Thank goodness. All right. Rolled that guy out. And there was one other that I saw. Oh, this one. Whole $17. So I can either let it expire worthless. We've already gained $69. So 69 is definitely a sign from Tesla. Let's roll this one out as well. We'll roll this one to 600. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. We're going to buy back the 585, sell the 580, go into the next week, sell the 600, buy the 595, and let's see, now can we get 50? No, we better, since we only have a few minutes, we'll try to get 48. All right, we got 48. I almost should close that. I almost should close that AT&T out, or that Apple put credit spread. We only have $20 more to gain on this. So this is one that I will probably let expire worthless, just because we didn't have a whole lot at risk in the first place. Yeah, but we could do so much more with our $500 than to gain $20. These are the decisions and the thought process I go through live, just so you're hearing it. It's sometimes sometimes it's not really clear cut what the best move is. So here I'm in a position where I have $500 on the line and I can only gain 20, but originally I only had like 55 gain possible in the first place, and I don't think Apple has any chance of going down. So I think this thing is pretty secure. I will go ahead and just let it expire worthless. Other than that, it looks like we're 5 minutes till close. Tesla is, ooh, what was that? Tesla is still hanging around that $700 level. This just, oh, I thought it was a huge drop. Not really. But we still have these kind of like these YOLO plays. See if we get some really crazy momentum to the upside. We're even on that 795 800 call. The 790 800 call for next week. We're up a whole $1. And what's the other one a little farther out? The 890 900s for the following week. But we'll see what is to come. All right, guys. Hope you guys have had a great green day. Love you guys. Thank you. Make a lot of money.